Hey, second grade, it's Mrs. Jewel. We're ready for math day 1. So we start with our 20 minutes on IXL, go into learning, click on math, pick those skills that are highlighted, do them first, earn those medals, and then you can free explore, but do it for 20 minutes. Then do your home connection papers you find in your packet. You're going to be doing story problems. And so I want you to read the story problems and solve them. You can draw pictures, you can write an equation, but we're grading right here to see the answer right there. But use this space to help you. Pictures are wonderful ways to show your thinking. Then you're going to do this game. It's just fact families. And so you're going to go to this screen and you're going to click on this and it'll take you to the game. And the game is just timing to see how fast you can build fact families. So you're going to be clicking the numbers and then putting them in order. So you're like 3 plus 4 equals 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Then you pick the biggest number and do 7 minus 4 equals 3. 7 minus 3 equals 4. And then click check. And it'll tell you how fast you can go. And then it gives you a score at the top. So it's just a great way to look at how numbers relate to each other. So you'll click this in the screen and the slides down below. So do that. Have fun practicing your math facts. Then I want you guys to find a partner. And again, if you can't find a partner, can't find a family member or friend to do it with, then you can always play against a teddy bear. And then you're going to do what our workplace 1K, which is called turn them over. And you'll play this digitally. And it is cards and the big dice. And so it is going to be our big dice that we play with in classroom, but you can play it online too. And each player is going to have their dice and their own set of cards. They're going to take turns rolling the 2 dice, adding the numbers on the dice, and then turning over 2 or more of their cards that have that sum. So for example, a player rolls a 4 and a 9, so they get the sum of 13. So you have to add the big dice. That player then could turn over any combination of cards with that sum. So they could do a 6 plus 7 gives us 13, which is just 2 cards. Or they could do 6 plus 4 gives you 10 plus the 3 card, and then they can turn over 3 cards. But then that means those cards are out of play. Then if a player gets a sum on their dice and they can't find the sum on their cards, they have to lose a turn, and then their partner gets to go. Play continues until one player has turned over all of their cards, or both players are unable to use the remaining cards to make any sums. The first player to turn over all their cards wins, or if both players got stuck, each player finds the sum on their remaining cards, and the player with the lowest sum wins, kind of like golf. So you can do that. Game variation, if you want to play it with real cards, you can use a 1 to 6 dice, the normal dice, and just do math facts to 12. So have fun playing this game. And this is what it looks like. You can click on this screen on the slides and it will take you to the virtual game that you can play. The dice up here, you'll click on that and it will toss. It has a deck of cards down at the bottom. Don't use those. These are laid out for you. So you'll just take these cards and I just move them over to the side saying that they're out of play. So have fun playing, turn them over and practicing your sums. Then you're done. Great job. You've completed today's math lesson. And if you have time, you can explore the virtual math manipulatives. Have a great day.